Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can remove background on Canva. So to do that, go ahead and open up Canva application on your mobile phone. Now here the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on the plus icon which is appear on the button of the screen, on the center of the screen. Now here we can pick up the accept ratio. So go ahead and tap on Instagram story, Instagram post. Now from the template you can select any picture or the background. So we'll just select this, and to remove the person from the background what we have to do is tap on effect. So here you get the option to remove the background effect or the background photo or filter. So here if you tap on it you'll get this. If you haven't subscribed to premium Canva yet, you will need the Canva subscription or the premium in order to remove background on Canva. So if you have got the subscription or the premium, you can just go ahead and tap on it and your background on Canva will be removed. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.